In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to format an academic paper in Microsoft Word. Academic layout is all about clarity and consistency, not creative design. Most style guides, like APA and MLA, expect a clean, readable document, so we'll set up Word to handle that for you from the start. Begin by setting your foundation. Open the Layout tab, choose Margins, and select Normal, which gives you 1 inch on all sides. Then move to the Home tab to choose a standard, readable font. Many guides prefer 12-point Times New Roman, though 11-point Calibri or Arial may also be acceptable depending on the guidelines you're following. Next, make the entire document double-spaced. In the Home tab, open the paragraph settings, set line spacing to double, and make sure the spacing before and after is set to 0 points. Doing this early keeps everything consistent as you write. Instead of formatting headings one by one, use Word's built-in styles. Apply normal to your body text, making sure it reflects your chosen font and double spacing. For section titles, use heading 1 for main sections, like Introduction, Methodology, and Conclusion, and heading 2 or 3 for subsections. This creates a clear visual hierarchy and also powers useful features. Turn on the navigation pane from the View tab, and you can click through your headings to jump around your paper instantly, which is a huge time saver in longer documents. Let Word automate the structural elements, too. Add page numbers by going to Insert, Page Number, Top of Page, and choose plain number 3 to place the number in the top right corner, which many academic styles prefer. If your paper requires a table of contents, first be sure you've used heading styles. Then go to References, Table of Contents, and pick an automatic option. Word will generate a clean, updatable TOC that reflects your headings. For paragraph layout, set a first line indent of 1/2 inch in the paragraph dialog under Indentation, Special, First Line. This replaces manual tab presses and keeps every paragraph consistent. Avoid inserting extra blank lines between paragraphs. Double spacing already provides the needed separation. Keep your text left aligned rather than justified to maintain the standard academic look. Use visuals sparingly and keep them professional. For any figure or table, right-click and choose Insert Caption to add a numbered label, such as Figure 1 or Table 1. This ensures consistent labeling and allows you to create a list of figures later. When styling tables, choose simple designs under Table Design that prioritize readability over decorative borders. Finally, always cross-check specifics with your required style guide or a trusted resource like the Purdue Online Writing Lab. With these Word tools, your paper will be clear, consistent, and academically polished from the first page to the last.